Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention of Angoo Digital 6-in-1 Heat Press Machine 12x 15-inch Sublimation Heat Transfer Press Printing Machine Swing Away 360 degree Rotation Multifunctional Pro. How it is? You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Safe machine. W premium quality. Unlike others, our machine has a lower surface temperature when heat up to the same temperature degree, which can prevent you from burnt or fire hazard. Large 12x 15-inch heating plate provides a big surface to customize your cup, hat, plates, bottles, t-shirts, mouse pads and other fabrics and materials and that you can imagine. Equipped with an accurate LCD digital timer and temperature controller, convenient to check and set your desired time and temperature. It can be quickly replaced by only 2 screws, which is convenient for future maintenance. When the alarm sound, the element will stop heating, indicates the work is done. Full 360-degree swing away rotation function allows the heating element to move safely side to side without accidental contact. It enables the pressure to be applied directly and evenly downwards to improve the quality of the finished transmission. Our 6-in-1 heat press machine can be used for t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, plates and other flat-surfaced items. Perfect for transferring photos, words on cotton, fiber, metal, ceramic, glass and so on. Suitable for producing gift, advertisement, and so on. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.